As a budding content creator, I've done a lot of research into understanding what goes into making a good video. If there's one thing that everyone seems to agree on, and that is good quality audio, especially when it comes to voice. With that in mind, look what just arrived. It's the DJI Mic Mini. Roll the intros. Welcome. This is the DJI Mic Mini. It's basically a wireless mic that you can append to your shirt like this to capture great audio, especially when it comes to voice. Now, I will say this is not sponsored by DJI or anyone else for that matter. I did actually buy this little bad boy all by myself. It's also worth noting, if you're used to DJI products, this does come in several packages. This is actually the base package, so that includes one transmitter and one receiver, and that retails for $79.99. The next package has two transmitters and one receiver. Also comes in a nice charging case that you can charge all three components together, and that retails for $164.99. I'll put some links below to help you guys out. Today, we're going to do a quick unboxing video, but please do check out the full review in the next couple of weeks. Talking of which, please hit that subscribe button if you want to get notified of future videos. And lastly, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a good thumbs up. Right, let's get into it. Okay, right off the bat, you can see that this is a DJI product. It's got that very distinctive white, maybe Apple-esque boxing feel to it, and of course a preview of what's inside. Now, if we turn this around, we can see some of its features. This thing is light at only 10 grams. It has high quality audio with stable transmission up to 400 meters. 10 hours of battery life too. Now, I have nothing to compare this to, but this seems plenty, especially if you're just starting out on your content creator journey, just like me. It's worth noting that if you get the charging case, this goes up to a whopping 48 hours. Direct connection to your Osmo Action Cam. This transmitter supports direct connection, so you don't need to carry around the separate receiver, simplifying your gear setup when you're out and about. 2 levels of noise cancellation to suit different environments. And last but not least, it also has the ability to automatically lower the volume if the audio input is too high, preventing clipping and ensuring reliable audio quality. And now over to the back. This pretty much tells you what's in this particular package. So from left to right, there's the receiver and then the transmitter, a charging dock, but it only appears to charge the transmitter. I wonder how you charge the receiver. There's the pouch for storage and if you're on the move. There's a magnet to help clip the mic onto your shirt. A mobile C adapter, we'll see what that's for in just a second. Not one, but 2 windshields. Thank you, it's very kind of you, DJI. A camera audio cable, that's to connect to a DSLR. A splitter charging cable, okay. So I guess that's how you charge the transmitter and the receiver together. And then last but not least, there's a wealth of documentation that no one ever reads. Right, let's get into this and open this up. Okay, so it looks like we've got 2 packages here. One with the documentation and the other which includes all the toys. Let's get rid of the documentation and let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is the pouch. It's really handy, especially if you've not got the hard shell charging case like me. Let's see what's inside. Okay, looks like a bunch of cables from what I can see. So we have the camera audio cable, and this looks like the charging cable. Oddly, it's USB-A to USB-C. Not sure why they've done that, but it's worth noting. Let's see what comes up next. Okay, so these are the windshields. So we have one in black and one in white. And in here, okay, so this is the USB-C adapter. It's really small. Everything about this is just tiny. And what do we have here? So this is the receiver. Okay, again, so small and really lightweight. We have the gain control on the left here. And if we turn this around, we've got the audio and sync button. And then turn it around again, we've got the USB-C charging port. And if we take this off, we should be able to pop in the USB-C adapter to use with your phone. There you go. There's also a clip if you want to wear this. If we just pop this off again. What a nice, neat little package. And next, okay, so this is the charging port. Again, really small. There's the charging port. So this must be the transmitter. Yep. It's so small and so light. The charging pins at the bottom there. And then if we turn this over, we have the sync and power buttons. And here's a clip to clip onto your shirt. This is the magnet to help you attach it to your clothes if you don't have a collar or something. It's really strong, like really strong. And the whole thing sits neatly in the dock. It's actually magnetic as well, so pretty good touch there. Right, let's see if there's anything else in here. Yep, the usual condensation beads. Well, that's it. There's not much to it, but for $79.99, this seems like an amazing package to help you get started. Please do leave comments below and let me know what you think. But for now, that's it. Like I said, I will do a full review in the coming weeks, but please hit the subscribe button to get notified. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, please give it a thumbs up.